Hello friends, welcome back to class. The last time we ordered fractions. Today we are ordering both fraction and numbers using the less than and the greater than. There's a trick I always use when I'm teaching ordering of fractions, especially when you're using the signs. If you ask a child, bring cookies, maybe 5 cookies, and you share them in the ratio of 3:2. We'll get into ratio with time. Now, when you bring out that 3:2 cookies and ask the child to take, let's be honest, what do you think? Which one do you think the child will take? The child will definitely go for the 3 cookies because that one is more in number. So, the trick is always imagine that you're opening your mouth to eat bigger cookies. That means the sign will open its mouth to swallow the bigger number. The sign will open its mouth to swallow the bigger number. Now look at this. Let's do this. Then we can now do this. Number 1, we have 3/4, our box for less than or greater than. Then we have 1/4. Somebody would say, how do we do this? It's very simple. They already like fractions. You're not solving anything. You're not looking for the LCM. They are simply like fractions. No solution there. But what you will consider is the numerator. The denominators are the same, which makes them like fractions. But the numerators are different. So now let me ask you, if I were to give you 3 naira or decide to give you 1 naira, which will you suggest for me to give you? You would definitely go for 3 naira. You will go for something bigger. Everybody's looking for something bigger, which means you have to open your mouth to swallow the 3. Open your mouth to swallow the 3. And this sign is greater than. Using your right hand is greater than your left hand. Use that concept as a trick for the kids. Your right hand is like this, which is a sign of greater than. Apart from those that are using left to do most of the things. But generally, a lot of people use their right to do greater things. So imagine that your right hand does greater things than the left, which means this sign is greater than, while the left hand side is the less than. So you open the mouth of your sign to swallow the bigger number. I hope that makes sense. Correct. Let's delve into number 2, where we have 3/5, 4/5. The two are also like fractions. You're not looking for the LCM here. But if you're given a number that you have to find the LCM, find the LCM, then consider which one is the bigger number and open the mouth to swallow the bigger number. Now look at the two numbers. If I ask you to pick, which will you go for? Let's imagine that these are apples. And I ask, pick, which one would you take? You would definitely go for the one that has the bigger number, which is 4. Because both of them are like fractions. Their denominators are the same. So we are considering their numerator. Everybody will go for the bigger number, which is 4. And you have to open the mouth of your sign to swallow the bigger number. Open the mouth, to swallow the bigger number. And what sign is this? This is less than your left hand. Less than your left hand. So this is greater than, and this is less than. So 3/4 is greater than 1/4. 3/5 is less than 4/5. I hope you understand. Now, look at number 3. We have 3/3/8/4 3382. Now let me ask, which one is the bigger number here? 3384, 3382. That's 3,384, 3,382. Which one is the bigger number? Obviously, it's 3,384. And someone like me, you want to give me 3,384 and ask, okay, please, let me reduce it. I'll say no, leave it for me. So, everybody will want to go for something bigger. You open the mouth of your sign to swallow the bigger number. Open the mouth of your sign to swallow the bigger number. Now you have written this, you now check your hands. Is this greater than or is it less than? Remember I said your right hand is greater than, which means 3,384 is greater than 3,382. I hope I made myself clear. Always open the mouth of your sign to swallow the bigger number. In that way, you have solved your problem halfway. Then identifying the sign you've written is another halfway. So this sign is greater than, why when you do it with your left hand is less than. I hope I am well understood. So like we always do, you are going to play with this. Put the right sign in the box and leave your answer in the comment section. Have a great day. Enjoy the class.